It's not going to give up, and it's not going to change. It has to be defeated in November.
Steve.
Well, 100%. Chief Justice John Roberts, during the confirmation hearings in 2005, made the point that the Soviet Union had basically in its constitution all the same rights that we have in ours. But, of course, it was a totalitarian society. What was the difference in the countries? And it was the tradition of the rule of law in this country. And so what we see here is an illegitimate process that will yield an illegitimate Supreme Court justice and further degrade in the public's mind the legitimacy of the institution of the Supreme Court itself. And I'll compliment Trump in this regard. He is utterly and absolutely indefatigable when it comes to his vileness, his illiberalism, his fetish for autocracy. And the net effect of it, as Gene points out, is it exhausts everybody. And the problem with it is that when you are in a fight, there's only two ways to win a fight. You either have to bring your opponent to submission, think Germany and Japan after World War II, or you wear them out, think the United States in the Vietnam War. And Trump wears people out. He exhausts them. He numbs them. He completely...
That sounds like a dictator in the making, actually.
He just completely wears them out.
Yeah.
And what's at stake here is immense for this country. And we totally forget about this, is that in this country, citizenship, civics, is that there's an expectation, obligation as a citizen to be informed, to be involved, because in a democracy, you get the government you deserve. And again, I said it earlier, the choice in 2018, do you want to have a check on this, yes or no? And if the answer is no, and Trumpistan is essentially endorsed, we're going to live in a very different country 10 years from now. That much is at stake.